In this video, we'll look at how to personalize your store by adding your logo, choosing your brand colors, and selecting your fonts. Start by clicking Online Store in the left menu. At the top of the page, you'll see your current theme. Click the Edit button next to it to open the theme editor. We'll begin by adding your logo. Click Header on the right side of the header section. This opens a small menu where you can upload your logo. Click Add Image. This opens the image browser. Choose Upload an image and select the file from your device. Once it uploads, pick it from the list and click Select. Your logo is now added to the header. You can adjust the logo size and change its position right here in the same menu. Next, let's look at colors. During your trial period, you can quickly pick a ready-made color theme by clicking the Color Palette button at the top. This is the easiest way to get started with a cohesive design. You can also customize colors more precisely. Click the gear icon on the left and choose Colors. Here, you can edit colors for different elements across your store, such as backgrounds, buttons, and text. Last, let's update your fonts. You'll find these settings also under the gear icon in the Typography section. You can set general font styles for the whole theme and also customize them for specific parts of your store, like headings, navigation, and buttons. Often, it's best to start by adjusting the general typography settings and then refine individual sections if you need to. That's it! Your logo, colors, and fonts are now set, and your store already looks much more like your brand.